There's a pair of Jabra Elite 85T earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these to an Android phone. The Android phone that I'm using for this video is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Okay, so first thing is we're going to go ahead and open up the case up. We're going to take out the earbuds. And the first thing we've got to do is put these in pairing mode. You'll know that it's in pairing mode when it's blinking blue. Okay, it's not doing nothing right now, so let's put it in pairing mode. You have two buttons on top of here, on top of the earbuds. You want to press and hold. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding till you see the blue light. I'm holding on both here. There's red. Where's the blue? There's blue. Let go right away. And as long as one of them is blinking blue, it's indicating that it's in pairing mode. Okay, so while this is in pairing mode, now let's go ahead and grab our Android phone. And then from here, we're going to go to Settings, go to Connections, and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then tap on Bluetooth. And now under available devices, because it's still in pairing mode down there, we can see it show up down here under available devices. So let me tap on that, and then we should get a pairing request here. Pairing request, tap on pair right there. Give it 1 second, and you can see that we are now connected. Okay, if you have issues connecting or you can't get it into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these as well. Look in the link below, and I'll show you how to factory reset these. Okay.